There's so many of them. We got a little baby western skink. Nice, look at that blue tail. That's beautiful right there. Nice grasshopper right there. Zoom in. There you go.
Let's ride!
How'd you see
What?
that?
Okay, in C2, look at that. There's a
I see the crystal raindrops fall.
look at that. Yellow line too. That's a pretty individual. I haven't seen a stripe like that on one in a long time. Buddy, there you go. Back. Okay. Back. Okay. Oh, he'll find his way back. Look at how clear the water is. It's so easy to get a clear shot of this thing. Look at that. Man. That is so cool. Yep. But isn't it worth it? Nope, I just saw it slithering around. I was like, oh, finally. There we are. Look at those red sides on it. Beautiful snake. Just a baby too. Chill out, chill out, chillax. Relax, buddy, relax. There we go. Relax, he's super fast, so I want to keep him here. Look at that. What a beautiful snake. Those reds and blues. Wow. All right, buddy. Here you go. There you go. Yep.
It all looks pretty cool.
I shouldn't let this guy back, but the thing is that they're already so prolific here that it wouldn't make a difference taking this one guy. So you might as well just let him go back in his home over there. All right. Let's see. Oh, there you go. He's swimming off right there. Such a cool frog species. Still like him a lot. Wow.